Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Microsoft Excel Lecture 9. In this lecture, we will learn about data analysis with what-if analysis tools, Introduction, Goal Seek, Scenario Manager. A table solver, Excel's built-in data analysis tools. Introduction. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important aspects of data analysis: what-if analysis tools. These tools are essential for anyone who wants to make informed decisions based on data. With what-if analysis tools, you can explore different scenarios and predict how changes will affect your outcomes. But why are these tools so important? Well, imagine you're running a business and you need to make a decision that will impact your bottom line. Without accurate data and the ability to analyze it, you could be making decisions blindly. What-if analysis tools give you the power to make informed decisions by allowing you to see how changes in variables will affect your outcomes. This is crucial for anyone who wants to succeed in today's data-driven world. Goal Seek. Goal Seek is a powerful tool in Excel that allows you to find the input value needed to achieve a desired result. It works by adjusting one input value until a specified output value is reached. For example, let's say you want to know what interest rate you need to earn on an investment to reach a certain future value. You can use Goal Seek to determine the exact interest rate required to achieve your goal. Scenario Manager. Scenario Manager is a powerful tool in Excel that allows you to compare different scenarios and see the impact of changes on your data. With Scenario Manager, you can create and save different scenarios for any given set of variables, making it easy to see how changes in one variable affect the others. For example, let's say you're a business owner trying to decide whether to invest in a new product line. You could use Scenario Manager to create different scenarios based on different sales projections, production costs, and marketing expenses. By comparing these scenarios side by side, you can make an informed decision about whether the investment is worth it. Data tables. Data tables are a powerful tool in Excel that allow you to analyze multiple variables at once. They work by allowing you to set up a table with different input values and then see how changes in those values affect the output. This can be particularly useful when you're dealing with complex models or large data sets. For example, imagine you're running a business and want to see how changes in both price and volume will affect your revenue. By setting up a data table with different prices and volumes, you can quickly see which combination of inputs will give you the highest revenue. This can help you make more informed decisions about pricing and inventory management. Solver. Solver is a powerful tool in Excel that can be used to optimize complex models. It allows you to find the best solution for a given problem by changing multiple input values and constraints. For example, suppose you are running a business and want to maximize your profits. You can use Solver to determine the optimal price for your product based on factors such as production costs, demand, and competition. By setting up the appropriate constraints and variables, Solver can calculate the ideal price point that will result in the highest profit margin. Excel's built-in data analysis tools. Excel's what-if analysis tools are a powerful set of features that allow users to explore different scenarios and make informed decisions based on data. These tools include Goal Seek, Scenario Manager, data tables, and Solver. To use these tools effectively, it is important to have a clear understanding of your data and what you want to achieve. Start by identifying the variables that you want to analyze and the outcomes that you want to achieve. Then, use the appropriate tool to explore different scenarios and find the best solution. Remember to save your work frequently and document your process so that you can reproduce your results later. Conclusion. The conclusion of data analysis with what-if analysis tools depends on the specific analysis conducted and the insights gained from it. However, there are a few general points to consider when concluding a data analysis using what-if analysis tools. 1. Scenario evaluation. What-if analysis tools allow you to simulate different scenarios and evaluate their impact on the data. The conclusion should summarize the results of each scenario and highlight any significant findings. It is important to compare and contrast the outcomes of different scenarios to determine the most favorable or feasible course of action. 2. Sensitivity analysis. What-if analysis tools enable you to assess the sensitivity of your data to changes in variables. The conclusion should include an evaluation of the sensitivity analysis results, identifying the most influential factors and their effects on the outcomes. This analysis helps you understand the robustness of your findings and the potential risks associated with certain variables. 3. Decision-making recommendations. Based on the insights gained from the what-if analysis, the conclusion should provide clear recommendations for decision-making. These recommendations should be supported by the analysis results and highlight the potential benefits, drawbacks, or risks associated with each decision. 4. Limitations and assumptions. It is crucial to address any limitations or assumptions made during the analysis. This includes acknowledging any constraints or simplifications that may have influenced the results. By discussing these limitations, you provide a more comprehensive understanding of the analysis and its potential implications. 5. Future directions. Lastly, the conclusion should discuss potential avenues for future analysis or research. This could include exploring additional scenarios, incorporating more complex variables, or utilizing different analytical techniques. Identifying these future directions helps guide further exploration and refinement of the analysis. Overall, the conclusion of data analysis with what-if analysis tools should summarize the key findings, provide actionable recommendations, acknowledge limitations, and suggest avenues for future investigation. It is important to ensure that the conclusion aligns with the goals and objectives of the analysis and effectively communicates the insights derived from the what-if analysis.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.